Good morning, students. This is the continuation of prose lesson learning the game. So far, we have seen in last video till third paragraph on page 3. Now, we are going to start from fourth paragraph on page 3. Occasionally, my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me to a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. What is the meaning for cocktail? It is a mixed drink which is a combination of ingredients such as fruit juice, lemonade, flavored syrup, or cream. Did you get my point? Okay, let us continue. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sister. My father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted just to see me happy. On other days, when I made my way home from Sivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep. On the bus, if I managed to sit down, anyone who has been on a Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. On days when I was not so lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with a kid bag because the bus conductors would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. Let us know what is kit bag. Kit bag means a long cylindrical canvas bag. Here, used to carry cricket accessories. What is the meaning of kit bag? Kit bag means a long cylindrical canvas bag. I hope you understood, isn't it? Yes. Good. Let us continue. It could be embarrassing because the conductors were often rude and would sometimes ask me to buy two tickets. I did not have the money for a second ticket and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. What is the meaning of stride? Stride means a step or stage in progress towards an aim. What is the meaning of stride? Stride means a step or stage in progress towards an aim. Dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. Embarrassment means a feeling of self conscious shame or awkwardness. What is the meaning of embarrassment? Embarrassment means a feeling of self conscious shame or awkwardness. With time, I evolved a way of wrapping the kit bag around me. Just as the helmet and pads became a part of me while batting. So, the kit bag became an extension of me on the bus. I would often take the bus or train from Bandra to Church Gate, and it was all a great learning experience. Let us see what we have seen so far. Sachin used to ask his father cocktail drink. His father also provided him regularly. Then we see that on the way home from Sivaji Park, he used to sleep in the bus if he gets seat. It seems that it is very difficult to get seat. Then we see that bus conductor used to ask him to take ticket even to his kit bag. Some conductors were very rude towards him for his luggage bag which made him as embarrassment. This was his routine life after practice. Let us see next para on page 4. We need to have proper career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do, and you will be successful. At the time, I hated being dragged off, but as I look back, I feel sheepish about my actions and can only admire Acharika sir's. Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me a very important lesson. Once I bunked my daily evening practice to watch an inter-school cricket match, not anticipating that Sir would be there. He was angry and he said it wasn't for me to come and watch other people play for. If I practice hard enough, one day people from across the world would come and watch me play. Had it not been for Sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. He was a strict disciplinarian and did everything he could for me. I owed myself to him. From this para, we come to know that we need proper career in life. The career should give us happiness and it should be out of our interest. When Sachin was absent to the cricket practice and watched the inter-school cricket match, Sir Achrikar, his coach, was angry with Sachin for this and told him that you should not watch others play. Instead, others should watch your cricket match. For that, you need hard enough practice. It shows that his coach was very strict disciplinarian, which made a popular cricketer.